हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ्स डिस्कसिंग एक्सरसाइज 1.1 of chapter 1 rational numbers of class 8th NCERT mathematics. I will be using both languages here, English and Hindi, in this video. The questions of every exercise are very important. So this exercise is also very important. That is the chapter rational numbers. So first of all, we have to go for the definition. इसकी definition को हमें पता लगा लेना चाहिए. A rational number is a number which can be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Means एक ऐसा fraction जिसमें numerator और denominator दोनों ही integer हो और denominator 0 ना हो, तो that kind of fraction is called or is a rational number. So this is question number 1 on your screen, and we read the question first. Using appropriate property, find. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में appropriate मीन्स प्रॉपर्टी यूज करते हुए इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. देखिए, here it is -2/3, this is 3/5, and this is also 3/5. So here we see that this is 3/5 and this is also 3/5. इसको हम रीग्रुपिंग करते हैं. कैसे देखिएगा, we write -2/3 into 3/5, that is first, this one. And now we take this means regrouping में ये जो -3/5 वाला पार्ट है, ये वाला this part, we can write -3/5 into 1/6. This -3/5 into 1/6. अब ये plus 5/2 left बच गया है. So you write here this, and this is plus 5/2. Now in first and second, in दोनों में you can take my 3/5 as common, because 3/5 is here, 3/5 is here. तो इनमें आप common लेंगे. So taking common 3/5, that is -2/3. ये -2/3, and this, that is -1/6 plus 5/2. We can write here regrouping. यहाँ पे हमने regroup किया, देखिएगा. And now we know that first of all we can solve the bracket here. हम ये bracket है, इसको simplify करेंगे using distributive property. So 3/5 as it is, and taking 6 LCM here, so that is -4 -1 plus 5/2 as it is. This symbol is into means multiplication, so write here 3/5, and -4 -1, that is -5 by 6 plus 5/2. This 5 and this 5 is cancelled, so that is -1/2 plus 5/2. Taking as again, this is 3/6. This sign is minus, so -1/2, and this is 5/2. This is 5/2. Again taking 2 LCM, so that is -1 plus 5, that is 4/2. That is 2 answer. And here you can also write this property is using distributive property. Distributive property, because we know that A, B plus C can be written as AB plus AC. Yes. So 2 is the answer of this question. Its second part. This is 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 and 2 by 5. आप ग्रुपिंग देखिए, यहाँ पे देखिए, this is 2 by 5 इधर भी है, 2 by 5 इधर भी है, तो इनको ग्रुप कर लीजिए, एक तरफ ले आइएगा. So we can write first 2 by 5, that is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 means taking this and this together, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 by 5 एक common term है, then what is left? This is left. So writing minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Grouping किया हमने. Now what is common? What is common now in first and second? See here, that is we can write here 2 by 5 here is common, 2 by 5 here is common. तो ये जो first और second है, ये इसमें से 2 by 5 और 2 by 5 है, 2 by 5 common लेते हैं. That is minus 3 by 7 and this is 1 upon 14 minus, I think, minus 3 upon 12, that is minus 1 upon 4. Minus 1 into 3, 3 to the 6, so that is minus 1 by 4. Again, now we using the distributive property, we can write that is A, B plus C, that is AB plus AC. So first of all हम इसको लिखेंगे 2 by 5, bracket को हम solve करेंगे इसको. First of all, we have to solve this bracket. So what is LCM here? LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. So that is minus 6 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. Again writing here 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. Because minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5, 2 by 5 as it is, this 14 as it is. Now again cancel, 5 and 5 cancel, so we can write 1 upon 7 minus 1 by 4. Say 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So again taking LCM here, LCM is 28, so that is 4 minus 7, that is, you can write, that is minus 3 upon, or sorry, that is minus 7, sorry, minus 1 by 7, so that is minus 4 into minus 7, that is minus 11 upon 28 answer. Because here this sign is minus, so this sign will also be minus. So here again you can write this property using distributive property. The answer is minus 11 upon 28. Next question is write the additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Yes, what is additive inverse? You can change the sign. We know that additive inverse of a number A is minus A. केवल आपको साइन चेंज करना होता है. So its additive inverse is minus 2 by 8. That is minus 1 by 4. You can simplify it. Its additive inverse is plus 5 by 9. You change the sign because here it is negative, make it positive. First इसको simplify करें, that is 6 upon 5 because minus and minus positive. And now its additive inverse is minus 6 by 5. It is, you can write minus 2 upon 9 because 2 जब minus से divide होगा minus 2 upon 9 होगा. इसका sign change करें, that is 2 plus 2 upon 9. And it is minus 19 upon 6. So its additive inverse is change the sign plus 19 by 6 answer. So additive inverse में if it is positive make it negative, if it is negative make it positive. केवल आप sign change करिएगा. So these are the answers of these questions. Verify that minus of minus x is equal to x. Here you can write let x is equal to, so the left hand side write here minus upon x minus as it is minus, yes, x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे है 11/15, so again minus into minus, that is positive, so that is 11/15, and 11/15 is again x, because 11/15 is x. So yes, minus x into x is equal to x, means negative of negative is always positive, that is right hand side. In second case, left hand side, we write minus x minus as it is, that is minus 13/17. So we can write, yes, that is minus 13/17. I have to change here, मुझे तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे change करना पड़ेगा. I'll be writing again. Here, that is left hand side is minus x. So minus as it is, and here is minus is 13/17. देखिए, ये minus है, ये minus as it is, this minus as it is, but the value of x here is negative 13/17. ये negative है. तो देखिए, you multiply minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, so that is minus 13/17. Yes, and minus 13/17, that is x, that is right hand side. So it is verified. Here it is also verified. Find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Minus 13/1 can be written as 1, and its multiplicative inverse is minus 1/13. केवल आप उसका रेसिप्रोकल लीजिए. Its multiplicative inverse is minus 19/13. आप ये बिल्कुल एक चीज ध्यान रखें यहाँ पे कि दो नंबर है a/-b, that can be written as minus a/b. जनरली हम न्यूमरेटर से साइन को डिसाइड करते हैं, तो ये हो गया minus 19 yes. Its reciprocal means multiplicative inverse is 5/1. It is not necessary to write 1 as denominator, so 5 is the answer. And for the next question, we have to simplify this first. पहले इनको simplify करेंगे. That is minus 5 3 is 15/56. अब इसका जो reciprocal लेंगे, that is 56/15 answer. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer, means multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Next question. Name the property under multiplication used in each case here. देखिए, what is one? One is multiplicative identity. What is one? क्योंकि why one is multiplicative identity? Because we know that when any number is multiplied by 1, it becomes, the value does not change here. So this question is question number 5. Yes. So this is commutative property. So see here, if A into B is equal to B into A, order आपने change किया, देखिए, here minus A into B is equal to B into A. So we can write here A into B is B into A. So that is commutative property. इसकी addition or multiplication? This is commutative property of multiplication. Order change किया, देखिए, same here. That is also you have changed the means you have changed the order here. Minus 13/17 into minus 2/7 is minus 2/7 into minus 13/7. So same property here. That is also commutative property of multiplication. And now that is what? Minus 29 minus 19 upon 29 into 29 upon minus 19 मीन्स किसी भी नंबर को अगर उसके रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट 1 ही आता है. देखिए, so we can say this property is multiplicative inverse property. Because when any number a कोई नंबर है इसको रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करिए तो a and a cancel, that is 1. So this property is known as or said to be multiplicative inverse property of rational numbers. Multiply 6 by 13, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of, we know reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7. Now you multiply both the numbers. आप इन दोनों numbers को multiply करिए. So given 6 by 13 into minus 16 upon 7. Yes, we can write here. That is minus 96 upon 13 7 ja 91. This is answer of this question. Tell what property here we are using. कौन सी property है यहाँ पे देखिए. We know that we have already done that A into B into C, that is A into B into C group बना के करेंगे. किसी का सेकंड थर्ड को एक साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, फर्स्ट सेकंड को एक साथ किया. तो this property is known as associative property of multiplication. So I think that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. That is 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. इसमें फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड का ग्रुप लिया है और इसमें फर्स्ट और सेकंड का ग्रुप लिया है. So this property is associative of multiplication. That is question number 8 here. Multiply 8 by 9, that is actually minus 118. So we can write here 8 9 into, first of all you simplify 8, 8 ones are 8, and that is minus 9 upon 8. And what is multiplicative inverse? multiplicative inverse minus 9 का multiplicative inverse क्या है? Multiplicative inverse है इसका reciprocal. What is reciprocal of this? That is minus 8 upon 9. That is what? That is multiplicative inverse. That will be 8 upon 9 is, क्या ये पूछा है कि क्या इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स है? तो हम कहेंगे नहीं है. Here is the problem. The sign is the problem here. 8 upon 9 cannot be equal to minus 8 upon 9 because here is it is minus, negative sign is there. So the answer is yes, no, because the two numbers are not equal. Next, that is 3 1 by 3. We can 9 write 10 by 3. Its multiplicative inverse means reciprocal will be 3 by 10. and 0.3, when you remove its decimal, that is also 3 by 10. So 0.3 is equal to multiplicative inverse of this number. So this is true. So that is true. Yes, 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 by 3. So we write yes. Now the question number 10, the ratio number that does not have a reciprocal 0. 0 has no means reciprocal. 0 का reciprocal नहीं होता. Yes, 0 is a rational number, but it has no reciprocal. Second part of it is, what is second part of it? The rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. I am taking 1. Its reciprocal is 1 upon 1. Yes, that is also 1. And I am taking 1. Its reciprocal is minus 1 upon 1. That is also minus 1. So we can say there are two numbers, 1 and minus 1. 1 का reciprocal भी 1 होता है, minus 1 का reciprocal भी 1 ही होता है. So there are two numbers. And the third, the rational number that is equal to its negative. So we know that since positive 0 is negative 0 is equal to 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. तो 0 एक ऐसा नंबर है उसका पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव और ये सारे नंबर्स इक्वल होते हैं. So what is the answer here? 0 is the answer. 0 is a rational number which is equal to its negative, which is equal to its positive. Next question, fill in the blanks. 0 has no reciprocal. 0 का कोई reciprocal नहीं होता है. And next question is, the number n are their own reciprocal 1 and minus 1. ये अपने खुद के स्वयं के रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं. 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals, and the reciprocal of minus 5, that is first we can write minus 5, we can write minus 5 upon 1. Its reciprocal is, अब इसका जो रेसिप्रोकल है that is 1 upon minus 5. You can write minus 1 upon 5. So what is the answer here? Minus 1 upon 5 is the answer. The reciprocal of 1 upon x, where x is 0, is इसका उल्टा करें, that is x. Reciprocal of 1 upon x is x. And the product of two rational number is always closure property में मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया था कि the product of any two rational number is always a rational number. ये rational number ही होगा. कोई भी दो rational numbers को आप मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमेशा ही एक rational number होता है. And the reciprocal of positive rational number is always positive. पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर का जो रेसिप्रोकल होता है वो हमेशा ही पॉजिटिव होता है. एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज. थैंक्स.